Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the ultimate Harry Potter haul. Whether you're a Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, or Slytherin, these top spots are magical experiences you just can't miss. First up, we have the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios. Both in Orlando and Hollywood, this place is like stepping right into the books and movies. From sipping on butterbeer at the Three Broomsticks to picking out your very own wand at Ollivander's, it's a Potterhead's dream come true. Speaking of wands, let's head over to the Harry Potter shop at Platform 9 3/4 in King's Cross Station, London. Not only can you snap a pic at the iconic trolley, but the shop is packed with exclusive merch you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth the trip. Next, for the true fans, the Warner Brothers studio tour in Leavesden, just outside London, is a must-visit. Walk through the actual sets used in the films, see the incredible props, and learn behind-the-scenes secrets. Plus, you can try a foamy butterbeer here too. Now, if you're in Edinburgh, don't miss the Elephant House Cafe. This is where J.K. Rowling penned much of the first book. Grab a coffee, soak in the inspiration, and maybe jot down a few magical ideas of your own. For those who love a bit of shopping, the House of Minalima in London's Soho district is an absolute gem. This gallery and shop showcases the graphic art from the Harry Potter movies. Think posters, prints, and all things beautifully magical. Okay, let's not forget about Harry Potter, the exhibition. This traveling exhibit has been all over the world, displaying costumes, props, and interactive elements. Keep an eye out for when it's in your city, you won't regret it. Lastly, for a truly immersive experience, check out the Harry Potter and the Cursed Child play. It's a two-part stage production that continues the story of Harry, Ron, and Hermione's kids. The magic effects are mind-blowing, and it's a spellbinding adventure from start to finish. So there you have it. Whether you're looking to stock up on exclusive merch, dive into the wizarding world, or simply soak in the magic, these top spots are bound to make any Potter fan's heart flutter. Got another favorite Harry Potter destination? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more magical content. Until next time, mischief managed.